Hi friends, this is Hema from Clean and Organize. In this video, we are going to see how to make Couscous Upma. First, let's see the ingredients needed. Take some couscous in a bowl. Add some salt and mix it well. Now, add the required amount of hot water and close it with a lid. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. In this time, the couscous absorbs the water and becomes fluffy. Now take a pan or kadai. Add some oil. Once the oil gets heated, add some cumin seeds, urad dal and some split gram dal and saute it for a few seconds. Now add some curry leaves and saute it. Then add the finely chopped ginger and green chilli and saute it for a few seconds. Now add the chopped onion and saute it for a few seconds. Then add some salt and saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. There is no need to saute the onion until it turns golden brown. Just saute it for 1 or 2 minutes and that's enough. Now add the chopped tomato and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add some turmeric powder and saute it. If you want, you can also add some coriander powder and chili powder. That is an optional step. Now add the couscous which we have already prepared and saute it until the couscous gets coated with the masala. Now add the boiled green peas to the upma and saute it for few minutes. Check for salt and add if necessary. Now our quick and tasty couscous upma is ready. Do try it at your home and give me the feedback. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want to watch more interesting and different videos, don't forget to subscribe to Clean and Organize channel.